Yo, how guys, Switch here with another app. And today just going to talk a little bit about the W coin. So this is, well, it's sort of passive miner with ability to go and tap, but I covered this already within the all apps I'm using on the tablet. Although my list of apps is upgrading. So basically I'm trying to add more apps into tablet, into phone, into desktop, but either way. So this is the low maintenance app, so you don't really need to be here that much. Like actually every 8 hours you're just going to this WAI tab which is here. I'm just going to press this right now, and then every 8 hours, although I'm not doing that, you just can press the climb button. I'm just going to press the climb, and then that always going out. I don't know why, but it's always going to newses. So you have to press back. And right now you have 8 hours, another 8 hours to climb basically those points here on the right corner, right upper corner. And that's pretty much what you are going to do here. The other stuff, what you might do is tap the energy, but amount of points is like so low, so it's not really, I mean, ideally to do. Like you don't really want to do this like at all. But what you want to do, you can go with the tasks list, and within those tasks you can go to actually YouTube, and then you have the videos here which you can watch and see where is the code. What code is it in that video, and then type that code, and hopefully you will receive 100,000 points. And then another task within this YouTube tab is actually W saga, like 4 videos to see, and that tone tab is actually crazy good, just simply because there's lots of value, or I suppose to say tons of value, and they basically like super informative video for the people who just start, like I just did like recently in this channel, and playing the Web3 games, and like you don't know much about this, so you can actually watch the video, which you will get the information, and on top of that you will have the value from watching that, like that ton amount. Excuse me, that W coin, is it right? So yeah, you will just basically receive the points. So that's what I'm trying to say. Just gonna press the tabs to just show you guys, like to just see what's in it. So you have the first tab is the mates. So obviously you can use my ref to join me here. Then we have the tasks, which I already showed you guys. Then we have some gift, which is basically some pre-market, but I'm not able to buy because you need to meet the requirements. Active mates, so free active mates, not that big deal, but like my channel is new, and that's like second video I'm making about this. Maybe if I will be talking about this every day. But I mean, the app is okay, but like there's no really point to do the video every day about this. So yeah. Another tab which I already showed you is WAI. So this is like sort of miner, and the idea is to get more friends, and then if you have some friends invited into this app, then you will be able to upgrade those windows here much farther. But unfortunately nobody added me, so I'm not able to do this. Then we have the boost button or tap, which you have, like you can recharge the battery. That's what you're tapping, if you actually tapping. And then you have something like lucky dice. I just can show you, but this is like nothing really significant anyway. So you can press the roll. We're just going to press the roll. That's gonna roll the 15x, and right now we can tap for 15 points per tap. Still, this is not really that significant to do it, so I'm not doing this at all. Like, just, oh my god, why is it so lagging? So I just don't bother. The only thing what you want to do here is like basically just watch those videos, because you will get the value from them. You can actually learn something. The dashboard stake is finished. So yep, we are not able to stake. Then we have the stats here. So total coins, total taps, total mates. So we have like 41 million people. And apparently daily mates, like 2 million people getting every day here into this. That's crazy. And then there's the wallet here. So this is my balance over there. So obviously the more coins we are gathering, the better airdrop we are going to receive. Like honestly, if I'd be happy like to receive just 2 tons from every app I'm running, like 50 apps, so like 100 tons, and then I would just allocate this to the apps which like don't get me wrong, every app I'm running I want to run on daily basis, but some of those apps might be end up like just to be one-off drop and that's it, airdrop. And some of them are going to be a seasonal airdrop, so obviously we are going to carry on to play those games. And definitely I am trying to do like tailor a list for a permanent play, well we can call it, like it's going to be a list for the games apps which we are going to play season by season, basically make the airdrops from them, and then eventually try to figure it out the app which is going to be like ultimate app, to basically put all resources or majority of resources assets to basically be able to produce more assets, if that makes sense. Well, like some miners with like infinite ability to upgrade that miner, which one miner is the green miner. So you can actually buy, like, if you reach, you can buy fuckloads of upgrades. You can like buy infinitive upgrades. The only minor thing like is the you need to be able to press this every 4 hours. Obviously, if you're going to bed, that's not gonna mine for you. Although you can set up the alarm and just wake up every 4 hours, which is not really a big deal, I guess. So yeah, there's like nothing really much more to talk about this app. So I'm just going to finish the video and just carry on with another one for tomorrow. So thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. If you want to use my ref link and join me, that'd be like super crazy good. If you want to join me the bumps hood, that will be crazy good as well, because in the bumps I am trying to build a city later on, and we are going to support each other basically, so we will have more energy, more percentage value for mining the gold basically. So if you don't mind, and then also I'm running currently the raffle or giveaway for tickets on Tonfest. So if you wanna look into that, this is like on the channel, it's like a main video right now, so feel free to go. And yeah, pretty much that's everything what I want to announce. Also one more thing about the TOYGERS app, which you can see on the right screen. Don't really want to talk much about this because I'm talking in every video, and like if you want to know more about this, it's on my YouTube channel. Basically you will have free giveaways, or like it's not really giveaway, like you're going to play and then we'll just send you the stuff. It's not really announced yet what they're going to send you and when, but basically by making the points within this app, I mean I can show you. This is the app what I'm talking about, which is in advert on the right side. So basically by playing this app you will basically have points, and those points you'll be able to use for various of products. By the way, thank you very much guys for adding me, like 10 people join me. I'm looking for 500 people to have 3.5 million points from that, and then also I wish to have 500 people on the YouTube channel, so obviously at some point it's going to happen, hopefully. And so yeah, so that's it for now. Cheers guys, and see you in the next one.